This is a Commodore News Update.
Welcome to this Commodore News Update for Wednesday, November 14th. I'm Quante Bristow. The playoff season is in full swing and Maury has several teams involved. On Friday, the Commodore football team scored a resounding victory over Warwick, winning 48-14. On Saturday, the girls cross-country team participated in the Class 5 state championship. The team finished 7th behind a strong running of Maeve Styles, who finished in 9th place despite a fall. Maeve earned a spot on the All-State cross-country team by a virtue of her top 10 finish. Eamon Abdus finished 17th place with a personal best time. On Tuesday, the boys volleyball team lost its state semifinals match against Glen Allen. The Commodores ended another successful season. Tomorrow, the Scholastic Bowl team hosts Northview here at Maury. The match begins at 3:15. Now here's what's happening at MHS. Today's and tomorrow's college reps will be here at Maury. We'll have more on that on Friday's show. You're all up to date with Maury High School. I'm Quante Bristow. Have a good day.
This has been a Commodore News Update.